Okay, guys, I'm back, and here's the English pea salad. Doesn't that look scrumptious? And it tastes very, very good. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Simple. Everything I needed, I already had, and I just put it together. And you too can do the same. And I put about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. You can use any mustard that you have. And I put about a fourth a cup of sweet salad pickles, a cup of diced up cheese. If you have shredded cheese and you want to use that, you may. No right or wrong way to do it. I had a cup of that, and I used the mild cheddar and the Colby Jack. And I used a fourth cup of red onions cut up fine, and two stalks of green onion. And then I had my dry seasonings that I like, the onion powder, garlic powder, the salt and pepper. And here it is. I put it together, and I used 1 tablespoon of Blue Plate mayonnaise. Now you can use any brand you want, but that's just what I used, and I only put a tablespoon full. And I kind of worked it around. I used a spatula so I would not uh, mash up my peas. Just a spatula. And just kind of fold it in gently. And here you have it. So this is Patty's Southern Kitchen. Thanks so much for joining. Please subscribe. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. And let me know that you are here by giving that thumb up. Give me a heart. Make a comment. Ask a question. And we will talk to you soon. And always remember, I love y'all. Goodbye.